Hey guys, this is from Hybrid Traffic. So today I'm gonna teach you on how to geotag a photos. So it's very simple and easy. So you just need to go to this website, tool.geo-imager.com. Okay, and then we do recommend to buy the Pro one over here so that you can geotag the images if you have multiple images that you want to geotag. Okay, so for now I'm going to show you on how to geotag a proper geotagging of photos. So select the photo over here, and then you need to put the business address, the complete business address of your website. I mean the business. Okay, so once you're done, so it pop-ups over here because it's a free account. You can do 5 per day. So if you want, if you're doing a multiple tagging, then do the pro one over here. We do recommend the pro one. Okay, so for now, let's do the free one. And then once you're done inputting the address, you need to click the right accept tags. Okay, and then download it. Okay, so once you're done, go to the file. Okay, so this is the file. So you need to rename it with your targeted keyword. So this is I already rename it. Say dentist in New York. Okay, and then you need to go to the properties, and then the important part is the details tab. So I already put over here the title, this one, and then the subject is one, and then the rating. I put 5 star, and then dental, the tax is dental, and then in here you need to put the brand name, and then the full address, naked links, URL, and the phone number of your business. Okay, so this is how you do the tagging because it's already tagged over here for the GPS of your business, as you can see. So once you're done filling this up on this photo, then you may now upload it to your GMB and citation list. Okay, and then don't forget to apply over here. Apply and then okay. So this is ready and good to upload. So that is how you geotag photos, and it's very simple. And thank you for watching this video.